Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got this RV adapter cord, and I'm gonna try it for a different functionality. I got a charger for my Tesla, and right now I don't have a fast plug. I just have a regular 110 outlet. You probably can see it right there. So I'm gonna try to see if this will actually work for that. So I'm gonna show you, see how this cord, what it looks like here. So it does have a, I don't know, we'll see. It'll be interesting to see how this works, if it really does. How cool would that be though? Okay, so we have the 50 amp plug, and then we should be able to just plug it in to a 110 outlet. I don't know what this is gonna do. Hopefully it won't blow the whole circuits up in the whole house. But let's see, we're gonna plug this in here. Okay, then we'll go over here. The wires here. And let me plug it into the wall. See what it does, see if it even lights up.